Hi friends, we'll be talking on the psychological impact or what a customer comes when they are looking to buy or rent a commercial property. Now, we have seen so many various, needs for setting up a commercial property. Commercial, it can be office, it can be a retail store, it can be, a processing unit, it can be a packaging place, or a logistics place. There's a large, diverse needs to it. Many a times, the logistics place is equivalent to what aspects are mainly required in our industrial requirement, which you can go through my earlier video on that. Logistics place and an industrial requirement place almost the 80-90% the same requirement, so that needs to be taken care as per what is there in industrial needs. When it comes to commercial, see, commercial people come when they are looking for commercial. Commercial people come with a notion, with many kind of ideas, again related to numerology, related to vastu, related to facing, all those things. We can't touch those subjects. You know, those are sensitive issues. We'll leave it to the client. We'll leave it to the person. But what we see exactly, we should see into the main aspect. The main aspect, what people think. Okay, if I have to buy or rent an office, the office should look flashy from outside. Yes, who doesn't want to set up an office where your office or where your store which is having a flashy exterior? But here one needs to understand, nowadays where all these offices are there, they have a glass facade. People think whichever property has got a glass facade is the best property to choose from. My dear sir, glass facade is rejected in many of the countries because a glass facade heats up your building. It heats up your property. It affects the more usage of your AC, and it also affects the security aspect when there is a fire hazard. One needs to see into this. You should go in for an A grade structure, no doubt. You should go in for any property which is good, in a good location. If you are having a retail store, again the requirement varies. Let us talk about only office space today. Now, in office space, you should have a place where there is an adequate accessibility to public transport. This is very important for your staff to come and go. Then you should look into the the accessibility to your parking space. Very, very important. Each person comes in their own vehicle or a car. Maybe your clients or your staff also, and even you also. You should have a place where there is parking space. I have seen many places in prime areas. You have a good office, everything, but people park their vehicle and walk for at least a kilometer. I don't know how. Nowadays, each person keeps their documentations, their laptops, and all in your vehicle. So it should be very close. You should have a place where there is parking in your same building or where just outside your building. This is very, very important. Then comes again the electricity. You should have power backup. You should have adequate power, and the accessibility is very, very important now. There are offices where the staircase is very small. People from first floor, second floor, the staircases are very small, and lift is just one or two. Today, culture is health. People want to get down the stairs and take stairs. You should take a place where there is a staircase, wider staircase, so that more number of people can come and go, and it should be easily climbable and easily alightable, and you can get down easily. So these are the aspects which one has to see, and more another than that, other than this, the ventilation is very very important in any office. I have seen many people take up a commercial property as an office, full glass facades, beautiful glass facade, but believe me, without AC, you can't even sit even for 5 minutes, and AC spoils your health in the long run. You should look in for an office which is easily commutable, easily reachable. Building should be great. The staircase should be nice. The lift should be good, adequate lift and adequate power backup. Parking space. These are the only important topics which one needs to see. Many people look into the other aspect like the Vastu, the numerology, all sorts of things. See, those are your personal choice. But when it comes to commercial, you should not think from a psychology aspect. You should think from a financial aspect. What is the cost to you? Or what is the rent it's going to be charged to you? Is it viable for your team or for your client to come and go? Is the address of your property important? Many a times your address gives you clients. I repeat, many a times your address gives you clients. I have seen many people setting up their office with wonderful services, but at the wrong place where client doesn't like to come. You should take a place where customer would like to come, and your card should speak the address. Your visiting card should speak the address. So always better to take a property on rent or sale, purchase wherever the property has got a good locational advantage and all the other aspects. Other things would follow. This is very very important, which one needs to take care, and you should have an adequate size. Many people make a mistake of taking up a very big office space, and they later on they want to fill up that office space. Just two of you or three of you working, if it's a small office doing good business, they'll end up buying a bigger office, 2000 square feet. What will you do that with 2000 square feet? Then they try to fill it up, like creating a discussion room, creating a what you call a lounge, creating a place for receptionist. I don't think it's required today. These all are really not required. Today, all these are irrelevant. So you need to understand, many a times the other way around. People are more and they pick up a smaller office space. I have seen people take a smaller office space, and in a smaller office space, people are more. I have seen, I cannot mention the names, one big company pick up a call center and making persons sit just touching each other and making calls. My dear friend, in a call center, if you have an ambient sound from back, another person talking, what will you project to the customer? What will you project to your client? Your customer care is more like a fish market. So you should be very very careful in selecting, analyzing, understanding, and then picking up a unit. My dear friends, this is a small picture on how to select a commercial office space and what psychological impact people have on it. Need to check on whenever you buy a property or rent a commercial property. Look into all these aspects and then decide. Any support you want from us, kindly get in touch with me. My numbers are 9611107558. SSB Properties signing off.